Hi everybody. Today I will be talking to you about the fundamentals of lean manufacturing. By the end of this presentation, you should be able to define the 5 basic principles of lean manufacturing, understand how aspects of lean may be applied to processes at any job, and identify how waste detracts from value in a number of ways. Developed by Toyota, lean manufacturing is a methodology that aims to eliminate physical and time waste in order to achieve a more efficient and sustainable process. Lean can be applied to any business or production process in any industry. The most desirable outcome of a lean process is cost savings, especially in the US, who need to compete with manufacturing in lower cost countries. If the 5 key principles of lean are implemented correctly, lean can improve efficiency, cycle time, productivity, material costs, and scrap material. The first principle of lean is understanding the value your product provides to the customer. The specific benefits of the product need to be defined by its customer base. Value determines how much a customer is willing to pay for a product and what the manufacturing timeline will be. Allowing the customer to determine value leads to a top-down target costing approach. Therefore, it is the company's job to eliminate waste and thus cost from the manufacturing process so that the customer price point can be met at a profit to the company. The second principle of lean manufacturing is defining the value stream within a given organization. Once the value of a product or service has been defined, the company must be able to create value without producing waste. In other words, the company must map out all the steps it takes to turn raw materials into a deliverable final product. These steps may include design, production, procurement, HR, administration, delivery, or customer service. This process aims to identify steps that do not add value and identify ways to eliminate them. Lean advocates strict supply chain management as a way to eliminate waste. Understanding a value stream ultimately leads to a better understanding of the entire business operations. Once the process value stream has been rid of waste, the next step is to ensure the remaining steps flow. Flow is often considered the most significant step in the process. This process should have no interruptions caused by delays or bottlenecks. Any halt of the value stream is waste. The value-creating steps should flow smoothly, delivering the product to the customer as efficiently as possible. Each aspect of production and delivery of the product should be fully synchronized with the other elements. This may require cross-functionality across departments, which is often a challenge when adopting lean principles to an organization. However, success in implementing the flow step properly can lead to up to 50% improvement in overall efficiency and productivity. When a system is becoming lean, the flow will improve. Improved flow or time to market will be drastically improved. This leads to the product being delivered only as needed or just in time. Because the customer can pull the product only when it is needed, products no longer need to be stocked by a company in advance. Stocking inventory creates expenses in both space and management, which are wasteful. The pull approach to just-in-time manufacturing ensures nothing is made ahead of time and nothing builds up work-in-process inventory that stops flow. Production is pushed based upon a forecast and a schedule. In a pull system, nothing is made until the customer orders it. Achieving a pull system requires flexibility and short production and delivery time cycles. The fifth and final principle of lean manufacturing is perfection. A process must be continually improved upon. Lean thinking must become a part of the company's culture in order for it to continually improve competitiveness and customer satisfaction. Lean is not a static system, and constant attention must be paid to all steps in the process by every member of the team. Lean companies are marked by a relentless pursuit of perfection. The goal of a lean system is to systematically and continuously identify the root cause of poor quality and remove it from the process. Lean experts have said that a process is not truly lean until it has been through value stream mapping at least half a dozen times. If you're interested in learning more about lean manufacturing, you can explore these questions. How could lean principles be applied to increase efficiency in an office, lab, or in your daily life? How does lean compare to other improvement processes such as Six Sigma? How can lean principles be applied to the way you or your team problem solve? Thank you for your time.